This is one of the best piece of real estate investment property. Why? Because it is located just 1 minute drive from the Lekki-Epe Express Road. Located at IGANDO area just before Lekki Eleko Junction. This estate is a 600 square meter plot of land, selling currently out for 9.5 million naira for a residential plot of land and 10.5 million naira for a commercial plot of land. Now you can pay half of this for a 300 square meter this time. So buy this estate now because it's going to appreciate. Now the good thing about this estate is that it has excellent facilities, which includes good road network, drainage system, recreational areas, potable water, electricity, fenced and gated community. It also shares neighborhoods with the like of Greenspring School, Coscharis Motors, Pan-African University, a little bit close to Lekki Trade Zone, Crescent University. It is just 10 minutes from Shoprite Sangotedo and 25 minutes from VGC. Now, this estate is going to be sold out, or the price is going to appreciate very soon. So I won't advise you to wait much longer.